I just wanted to do a cool unboxing of Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which is Huawei's latest flagship here, late 2018. You can see very nice looking presentation, very similar to the P20 Pro. I haven't been stabbing the box, it's just been a bit damaged in the post, but hopefully the phone will be quite nice here. So with this one we're getting Kirin, I think 980, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs storage, which comes with the AI kind of technology, with the processor, which should be pretty nice. Everything else remains quite similar in regards to the camera, I think, to the P20 Pro. So you know, your triple camera here. Huawei really leading the way when it comes to innovation. And this is the device here, it looks very nice. Wow, red and blue here. Look at that. My god, that is quite a nice device. You can see it's got like a square kind of arrangement with the camera here, which is pretty interesting. Not seen any phone do that before. So very nice looking handset here, obviously full curved display, which looks very robust, similar to the Note 9 shall we say. You can see you got some, in fact you don't have any speaker ports. That's strange. Where's the speaker ports? So maybe they've done away with them, or they're just so small I can't see them. But we'll have a look at that in a moment. Let's have a look at what else you get in the box. So you can see you do get your warranty card here, as well as your quick start guide, which is very nice, and the Type C charging cable. You're getting your earphones, which look pretty decent, which is nice to see. And also you are getting your charger here, the juice charger, and then an adapter, and then that's it. So I don't think you get a case with this one, so you better invest in one to keep it looking good. I certainly would. So let's just have a look at this. Oh, look at that. That looks very nice. It's like a two-tone kind of colour here, blue at the top and then darker as it goes down. That is very nice design here. I think, do we have a front-facing screen protector? I don't think so. So let's just peel that off as well. So initial impressions, very high end, very well built, very much like Samsung, though maybe Huawei, you know, going a bit too far in that direction, but we'll see. So I think we're getting 4000 battery as well, which should last all day. And I think a fingerprint scanner is embedded in the screen, similar to the OnePlus 6T. So I've been using P20 Pro quite a bit actually as my main phone. I've been very happy with the camera experience. I think the main issue I have had with it is the processor. It doesn't feel quite as fast as some other Qualcomm devices. So hopefully they will have improved that. I mean, it's fast enough, don't get me wrong, but I think it had Kirin 970 and it noticeably slowed down, like when you were, I don't know, doing multitasking. So I think they were a little bit behind in terms of the processors. That was a long boot up. So we'll just skip through this nice and fast. Could also be the EMUI, slowing it down a little bit. So it's kind of standard setup here. The notch seems to have gone a little bit wider, and this is the interface here. So you definitely got a lot of apps to sort when you first boot it on. And let's just see how bright that big OLED display gets. So very bright and luscious. You can certainly tell here you're dealing with a flagship phone. I mean, look at that. That is a fantastic display. You can barely fit on the screen actually, it's so big. And let's have a look at the general performance here. So everything is nice and smooth. Whoa, later. Look at that, that is nice and optimized here. Already feels a lot faster than the P20 Pro. Let's just try the about phone. So you can see we are getting Android 9, so that's the latest, your latest Android, as you can see. Oh, and let's go to the stuff here. You can see nice wallpapers. Huawei really makes a great effort when it comes to, you know, the customization of the device. So let's have a look at some others here. And we've got this one. So very nice indeed. So let's have a quick look at the camera here, and then round the video off. So let's go back here. Let's go on to this. So you can see you have all these good sort of modes here that you do know and love from Huawei devices. Portrait, that amazing night mode, which I think every other manufacturer has started to copy now. Video, what sort of video settings do we get? We have 4K, no 4K 60 frames per second, eh? That is a bit strange, you would have thought that. Pro mode, more. So lots of stuff here in terms of the camera. Let's just take a shot here, nice and quick. So yeah, you can definitely tell here you're dealing with a monster camera. I mean, look at that detail. You can even see like the dust on the phone, which is pretty amazing. So definitely going to check out the camera with this one, see how it compares with your Note and the XZ3, which I think are probably the best Androids you can get right now overall. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing of Mate 20 Pro. If you want to see something in particular, do let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.